like I mentioned before in an earlier video, I need to cut down all the trees here. So I'm gonna do it now. Now I have to remove all the trees. This Stihl chainsaw, battery chainsaw, I borrowed from my neighbor. It worked really great. I'm gonna leave these trees, these kind of trees, because they are beautiful. Yeah, it's getting dark, but it is it do look really great now. Now it's getting ready for snow plowing. You probably can't see it's some stubs here, but I will leave them. But now I can throw the snow a little bit to the side here now. Yeah, that's it.